Good morning. Today is a rainy day, which we thought it was only 30% chance of rain, but I guess we got to 30%. Trying to pack up, trying to see how this is gonna go today. We're about 3 miles from an actual shelter and then 11 miles from the second shelter. I have a feeling we are gonna stop at the 3-mile shelter to kind of assess our situation. So let's see if I can film anything, which hopefully I can, but I don't think so. There's a tent. Alright, it's a rainy day. Raindrops falling on my head. So we heard that there's a hostel nearby. We're hopefully not gonna stay there, but we want to get more food and maybe eat like a pizza, just because we have been eating a lot more than we planned to be eating. So I don't know if that's the hiker hunger that's kicking in, but we are definitely way hungrier. And so all of us are kind of running out of food before we get to Erwin, Tennessee. So we're trying to do a small resupply at this hostel, as well as eat some lunch, fill our bellies, and then hopefully keep going. But the way the rain goes, I know our group, we might stay, but hopefully not. Okay, there's a cooler. Now remember, I have a goal of 15 trail magics in the next 30 days total. So I hope this is trail magic. I hope this is not just like a play with our heart. Is this gonna play with our heart? Who can open it? Is it, there's something in there? Oh my God! Wow. Wow.
Isn't that cool?
It is very cool.
This is what it looks like when everyone cooks. Ooh. Earthquake!
Alright, little chap, what did you think of today?
If I liked playing in the mud, today would have been awesome. Overall, it was wet and mud, rain, mud, but it was so much fun. We had beer and pizza, so that's good.
Yeah. What about you out and about?
You know, it's great to be out and about when it's dry, but it's not as fun to be out and about when it's wet. But out and about was out and about today, and here I am.
Sure was.
She was, and she's alive.
What about you, Fox?
I'm awkward, and I still am, and the mud didn't change it, and the rain made it really horrible, and every step felt like I was falling through quicksand, but we made it, and I had a lot of fun, because there were also beer and pizza.
Yes. What about you, Cheese? Bow.
I felt as happy as a little piggy in the mud.
Good morning. Today we are planning to do a big hike because yesterday we hiked only around 11.8 miles. We wanted to hike more because we have a goal to get to Erwin tomorrow. But yesterday it was just rain all day, like all day long. It was my first day hiking in rain and experiencing that. We got to the shelter and we had thought that we would maybe stay in the shelter. And 2 of us stayed in the shelter, but Fox and I and little chap, we decided we're gonna go in our tent. it stopped raining pretty much once we got to the shelter. So we were able to take our tents out and dry it a little bit. But honestly, this morning everything is really moist. Like my socks are still moist and wet. Everything, like my pants are still wet. My shoes are. So it's supposed to be better today. I saw there's a possibility of some rain, but hopefully not. But tonight it's supposed to rain, which should be fine because we're gonna go to Irwin tomorrow to dry everything out. So yeah, just already had my breakfast, had some oatmeal, and packing everything up now.
I was thinking, man, he's going to the Thru fully equipped.
Ambassador, and I'm showing you how to fold a ground sheet. It's really difficult, but if you go with the flow of the wind, it will work.
Could work.
And your chin,
Wow.
and then you do one more
That's
time.
not what we saw 2 minutes ago.
No, you just need a camera and then it works.
Round.
It's a beautiful day. It's really beautiful. I wanted to talk about the fact that I believe norovirus is about to start. There's a bunch of people who have already gotten sick. So if you don't know norovirus, I mean, most people know norovirus. It's like a 24 to 48 hour kind of problem. And it happens a lot among the hikers every year because, you know, we're in close proximity to each other, and so we have a friend of ours, not part of our trail fam, I mean, not part of our 5 people group, that is sick right now, and so we're trying to see what we can do to eliminate the chance of getting that. So norovirus is no fun, and you'll probably not be able to hike the entire 24 to 48 hours that you have to go through that. So we are trying to avoid that.
That's hilarious. I think you'd be used to it, but yeah, she would.
Look at all this nature coming up right now. This is so much nature.
It seems so natural to be here in the country.
We have geocaching Katie in her natural habitat of taking videos for Instagram. Just as we're about to go to Tennessee, we go, nope. Up this way. And it started to rain again. See the difference between me and then little chap.
What are you?
All right, Springer, 320 miles away.
This view.
Keep narrating so I don't have to.
It's so gorgeous.
That view over there is Big Baldy.
There's a big house somewhere. People live over there.
You think that is what we're going?
So this is where we're going today, Big Bald. It's like 5 miles away, but it looks like it's 20 miles away.
Oh, cool. The house is on top. That's cool.
There's a little hut. Cute.
I'm holding my heart.
Hiking dance.
Show magic.
She predicted it.
No, she is a subscriber.
I know, but
So I'm here with my subscriber, Jiffy Pop, and he just walked alongside, and not alongside, he the other way, and he was like, Julianne, I have something for you. And I'm like, woo, trail magic.
Good deal.
Got me some smoked salmon, because I really love smoked salmon. It's good for you, lots of fat, and very tasty, so Thank you so much.
You're
That
most
was really
welcome.
nice of you. Going up to Big Bald. Lots of roots. Lots of beautiful white flowers. Lots of up. I can't hear you because I'm short. I barely passed that. Getting closer to Big Bald, looking at her right now. I guess, I don't know, would you call a mountain a her? I mean, probably, yes, officially an it, but you know, people like to give things genders. I think a mountain should be a her. Though it is the Big Bald, so it could be a he.
Walking downhill, only to walk uphill. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, that's true.
How about bad trail bypass?
Shitty
The thing is, this is so shitty for the trail.
Yeah, this is bad for the trail. This is why they close it.
I was wondering what that sound was. On top of a mountain.
Looks like little deflated balloons. Kind of.
Yeah.
Imagine what it's going to be like at the top.
Big Bald!
This is like, would be awesome in spring.
I'm gonna hike Little Bald now. That's Little Bald coming up. So we're on Little Bald, but it's not really bald. It is not. It is not. It's kind
And
of
it's
like.
not so little either. I don't
It's
think.
not little either. Trying to get on top of high rocks now. It's gonna be a long day. We still have 7 miles to the shelter if we want to do the 20 some miles. We'll see how we do. High rock for us. And it is a high rock. It is.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we've got some. I was trying to get you to turn on Thunder while you were running.
I don't know. Some more trail magic. 4th trail magic in 3 days. All this trail magic. Literally the best trail magic ever because we had wraps with condiments. We get some apples. We ate all the bananas. We were able to get rid of our trash. We have literally everything. 4 trail magics in 3 days. My 15 trail magics in 30 days are on a good start. Of course, I'm very thankful. I don't expect trail magic. It was just amazing that it happened. And it was just such a booster to your morale because we're doing 20 miles today. We have 3 more to go. We're all a little bit separate now because we're all taking care of certain businesses before we get to camp. But yeah, 3 more miles to go. Probably hike until 8 p.m. That means we started at around 7:30 a.m. until 8 p.m.